Thundershirt is great for all types of anxieties, not just thunder and fireworks. Did you know that more than half of dogs and cats suffer from some kind of anxiety or fear issue? Like swaddling an infant, Thundershirt applies gentle, constant pressure to the torso, which can have a dramatic calming effect. In fact, some experts believe the pressure releases a calming hormone like endorphins or oxytocin. Scientific studies have clinically demonstrated that a Thundershirt can reduce heart rates, stress hormone levels, and many other observable anxiety symptoms. Alright, most everyone recognizes the obvious symptoms. But did you know that these are also common symptoms of anxiety? Thundershirt is one of the most widely recommended and used calming solutions available. Vets and trainers love Thundershirt because it's a drug-free, safe, positive-based solution that works over 80% of the time. So what you do? Using the weight chart will help you select the right size. If a dog is in between weights, it's usually best to go with the smaller size. For male dogs, make sure the Thundershirt doesn't cover or contact with the genitalia on the tummy. Thundershirt is designed to be easily put on to achieve the right calming pressure. Simply lay the Thundershirt over the dog's back, then loosely fasten the neck straps. Then adjust the torso flaps. The third flap adjusts easily, and more importantly, keeps the flaps securely in place. The patented hook and loop fastener pattern on the neck straps will keep the straps from flopping. We recommend following these simple steps when first using a Thundershirt with your pet. First, introduce your pet to the Thundershirt during a time of no stress. Put some of their favorite treats on the Thundershirt, like a plate. Pets like anything that brings them food. Now, make sure the fit is comfortable and snug. If they show signs of being constrained or immobile, don't worry. After confirming that their Thundershirt fits properly and is not too tight, give your pet some time to get used to it. Encourage them to move around using treats or enticing them by play. All in all, when properly sized and put on, a Thundershirt can be left on for extended periods of time. However, during the initial uses, confirm that there are no issues and check for signs of discomfort or irritation. And do not leave on for more than 1 to 2 hours. Make sure to remove the Thundershirt at least twice a day if using for separation anxiety, general anxiety, or other long-term issues. But if your pet is one of the few that do not respond to the gentle, calming pressure, take advantage of our money-back guarantee.